Looking for a hassle-free way to upgrade your car stereo? The Scosche wiring harness connects directly to your factory stereo harness, making aftermarket stereo installation simple and clean. No cutting wires, no guesswork, just a direct plug-and-play solution that respects your vehicle's original setup. What sets this harness apart is its factory-quality wire and connectors, built to last and designed to fit perfectly. It's pre-terminated with butt connectors, which means you save valuable installation time without sacrificing reliability. Plus, the industry-standard color-coded wires make matching connections straightforward, even if you're not a pro. For over 40 years, Scosche has been a trusted name in car audio accessories. Their commitment to quality shows in every product, including this wiring harness. You're not just buying a part, you're investing in a product backed by decades of experience and rigorous standards that ensure your installation works right the first time. One standout benefit is the lifetime tech support Scosche offers. If you ever have questions during or after installation, their knowledgeable team is just a call or email away, ready to help you troubleshoot or guide you through any concerns. This kind of support is rare and adds real peace of mind. Customers appreciate the balance of affordability and quality. While some connectors might feel a bit basic, they snap securely into place without pin jams, ensuring a solid connection. Even if your vehicle's clips don't line up perfectly, the harness adapts smoothly, making it a dependable choice for a wide range of cars. Keep in mind, this harness is not compatible with factory amplified systems, so it's best suited for standard stereo setups. If that matches your needs, this product offers a straightforward, time-saving solution that keeps your car's wiring intact and your installation clean. When you choose the Scosche wiring harness, you get a product that's designed to simplify your upgrade, backed by a limited lifetime warranty. That means if anything goes wrong, you're covered, no hassle, no guesswork. If you're ready to install your aftermarket stereo without the headache of splicing wires or hunting down compatible connectors, this harness is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to experience a smoother, more reliable car audio upgrade.